In previous video, we downloaded and set up our programming language on Windows. Now it's time for the next step, installing RStudio, the application that makes working with R much easier. Here's how to install it on your Windows PC. Open any web browser you have on your computer. In search bar, just type RStudio and hit enter. From search results, click on the first result from the POSIT website. This will take you to the RStudio downloads page. Here, you'll see two options, RStudio and RStudio Server. Don't worry about server version for now. For this tutorial, we just need the regular one. So go ahead and click on Download RStudio. This opens a new tab, and here you will see a list of installers for different operating systems. If you're using Windows, click on first option under Open Source section. The installer will start downloading. Just wait for download to finish. When it's done, head over to your Downloads folder and locate the installer. Then double-click on Installer to start the setup. When the welcome screen appears, click on Next. The default installation location is perfectly fine, so click Install. The installation will begin. Wait until the process is complete. When installation complete, click on Finish. To open RStudio, click on Windows Start button, search for RStudio, and then open it from the search results. You can now start writing and running your R code using RStudio. And that's exactly how we can install RStudio on our Windows PC.